This video I am showing you top 5 best electric wheelchair. Our list at number 1. New FDA approval electric wheelchairs by Innuovo. If you have demanding situations, think of electric wheelchairs by Innuovo. It's one of the safest models on the market. With a weight capacity of 50 pounds, you can easily lift it and pack in your car. It is constructed from heavy-duty materials and can effortlessly support 330 pounds. Electric wheelchair by Innuovo comes with a superior joystick that makes it easy for you to control the wheelchair. The well-placed footrest and front shocks make the entire experience satisfactory when riding. Our list at number 2. Drive Medical Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter. This is another super electric wheelchairs that run on 4 wheels, assuring you stability. You will love the delta-shaped steering that makes cruising and controlling an easy task. When it comes to durability, this Drive Medical Scout crafts from high-quality materials, which makes it an excellent value for your money. You will love the comfort that comes from the backrest support seat plus the stable footrest. Travel long distances without worry, as the powerful battery and motor guarantees you the best. Our list at number 3. Forcemech Power Wheelchair. The Forcemech Power Wheelchair is a foldable model that weighs 43 pounds. It unfolds in seconds just like the baby carrier. You will find it easy to store and carry in your car. Since the unit comes from high-quality materials, it assures you of durability and beauty. It also features excellent wheels that will see you enjoy your travel in any terrain. Feel the comfort that comes with the well-placed footrest and armrests. Our list at number 4. Firefly Electric Attachable Handcycle for Wheelchair. The Firefly Electric operates on a robust and quiet motor and can run for 24 kilometers on a single charge. You will love the speeds that come with the Handcycle, which makes it easy for you to reach various places with ease. With impressive steering, you will discover the fun of moving around independently. Additionally, the model comes with a lovely footrest designed to give your feet comfort. Finally, this U8 comes from high-quality materials and will serve your purpose for an extended time. Our list at number 5. EZ Lite Cruiser Deluxe DX12. This EZ Lite Cruiser Deluxe DX12 is a model that will see you cover 10 miles with a single charge. Since it weighs 62 pounds and folds easily, you will find it easy to carry and store. It takes little space, hence a reliable option for your money. With the ability to turn through small angles, makes it easy to through tight areas. You will like the great chair and a relaxing hand rest plus the footrest available. All product details and links in this video description. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.